From the decks of the Royal Navy's new Type 45 destroyer, the company of HMS Defender had a unique view as they formed part of a flotilla which included tall ships, Danish minesweepers and paddle steamers as the Port of Hamburg celebrated its 824th anniversary. An estimated 1.5 million people lined the banks of the River Elbe to witness the spectacle of over 200 vessels crowding the water. The 8th ship to bear her name, HMS Defender, aims to look after an aircraft carrier or amphibious task group. Under the watchful command of Commanding Officer Phil Nash, she also has the flexibility of conducting anti-piracy, anti-submarine warfare and hurricane and disaster relief.
We're the Navy's newest commissioned warship, and we're very proud of that. And the 200 sailors here who've worked extremely hard to get the ship ready. And this is our first ever visit to a foreign port, so we're really excited.
For the crew lining the flight deck, it was a momentous occasion after months of planning.
But the parade yesterday along the river was amazing. It was indescribable, the amount of ships on the water and to see the sights.
It's been a fantastic build-up, and to see actually the ship and the crew go out to sea, it's fantastic morale boosting for the crew.
Once berthed, the ship invited in the crowds and offered locals the unique opportunity of looking around the Royal Navy's latest addition to its fleet and seeing its crew at work. Back up on deck, and there was another, slightly smaller example of British engineering at its best. It's estimated up to 10,000 members of the public will have stepped on board over the weekend. And one of the first things they'll see here on the flight deck is this Mini Cooper. It represents a campaign to promote Great Britain here in Germany and showcases the partnership between the Royal Navy and the British Embassy.
This is the next stop on the Great Britain Mini Tour. In Germany, we are taking the Mini right around the country to all 16 federal states in the course of 2013 to advertise all of the strengths and greatness around Great Britain, or about Great Britain. It's part of a global campaign which the Prime Minister launched back in 2011, and for us, it's a very exciting project, and we're really pleased to be on board here today.
Anglo-German cooperation is nothing new. The two nations are used to working side by side.
We work regularly with the German Navy on operations around the world, and here today sort of symbolises the end of 2 months of planning to make sure that we can get safely up the river through those hundreds and hundreds of vessels and alongside outboard so that we can promote Great Britain in this fantastic country.
Tomorrow, HMS Defender makes her way back into UK waters to continue preparation for operations wherever required around the world. Emily Slater, Forces News in Hamburg.